Anytime now, and the race is on. Tukmo. From the outside, Dinara. Lady Soro in between runners. Perfect Eyes rising up. Go. Bilis Danori inside is Charlie's Word. Sexy Chick. And on the outside is entry number 7, Malihim. Dinara Tukmo is on the outside, and Charlie's Word is running in third by Darrell. And on the outside, Go Billy's Perfect Eyes, Lady Sorrow. Rounding the far third, Tukmo is now the leader by a length and a half. Dinara, Charlie's World, Go Billy's, Lady Sorrow, Perfect Eyes, Sexy Chick, and Malihim. As they race the final corner, Tukmo by some 4 lengths now. Charlie's World on the inside. Dinara, Go Billy's, and ring the last 150 meters more to run. Tukmo by some 2 lengths. Go Billy's running by Darrell. Last 100 meters more to run. Tukmo by some 4 lengths, and nearing the finish line. Tukmo, and finally Tukmo, the horse of Consel Paulo Crisostomo. Close for second, Malihim. Go Billy's number 2, Perfect Eyes, and Lady Sorrow.